Quantower versus MotiveWave. Which trading platform is better? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets without missing critical insights. Quantower offers multi-asset support, while MotiveWave focuses on advanced charting and strategy development. Quantower and MotiveWave are both powerful trading platforms, but they serve different needs. Quantower excels in multi-asset trading and connectivity, while MotiveWave specializes in advanced technical analysis and automated trading strategies. The core difference lies in their focus on trading versatility versus deep strategy tools. Quantower is a multi-asset trading platform designed to connect traders to various markets including stocks, futures, options, and cryptocurrencies. It works by integrating with multiple brokers and data providers, offering a unified interface for order execution and market analysis. Its strengths include a highly customizable workspace, support for advanced order types, and real-time market data. Quantower also offers features like DOM, depth of market, multiple chart types, and algorithmic trading capabilities. However, it may require some setup time to fully customize, and its focus on connectivity means it might lack some of the deeper technical analysis tools found in other platforms. The ideal user is a trader who values access to multiple asset classes and brokers through a single platform, needing flexibility and fast execution without sacrificing essential trading features. According to Quantower's official site, it is especially suited for professional traders and active investors seeking comprehensive market access and execution tools. MotiveWave is a trading platform centered on advanced charting, technical analysis, and strategy automation. It provides traders with an extensive suite of tools including Elliott wave analysis, Fibonacci studies, and customizable indicators. MotiveWave works by allowing users to design, backtest, and automate trading strategies within a robust environment. Its strengths lie in deep analytical capabilities, professional-grade charting, and support for automated trading systems. The platform also supports multi-broker connectivity, but emphasizes strategy development over broad market access. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and less focus on multi-asset trading compared to Quantower. MotiveWave is ideal for traders and analysts who require detailed technical studies and want to create or optimize automated strategies. As outlined on MotiveWave.com, it suits professional traders and quantitative analysts who prioritize sophisticated analysis and strategy testing over multi-market execution. Quantower and MotiveWave both offer powerful trading tools but cater to different trader profiles. Quantower shines in multi-asset trading with seamless broker integration, making it ideal for traders who switch between stocks, futures, and crypto frequently. It offers fast execution and a customizable interface, but trades off some advanced analytical depth. MotiveWave, on the other hand, excels in technical analysis and automated strategy development, perfect for traders focused on market timing and system optimization. However, it supports fewer asset classes and requires more time to master. For example, a day trader needing quick access to multiple markets may prefer Quantower, while a swing trader or analyst developing complex strategies would benefit more from MotiveWave. The trade-off is between broad market access and specialized analytical power. Choose Quantower if you need a versatile platform with broad market access and fast execution across multiple asset classes and brokers. Opt for MotiveWave if your priority is advanced technical analysis and automated strategy development. Its sophisticated tools empower traders focused on deep market insights and strategy optimization. Both platforms excel in their domains, so select based on whether versatility or analytical depth matters most to your trading style.